So your truck remote's not working all the time, or you're just having issues, you gotta get closer to it. Hey, stop worrying. Let's change the battery first, save a few bucks before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. I'll show you step by step in this video. No special tools, and all you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. Take your remote, the emergency key release, pull it towards you, it's spring loaded. Take the tip of your key, it came out right at that side, go to the opposite side, and we are going to gently pry the two halves apart. And you notice it came apart. Push down on your circuit board. If you don't have fingernails, take the tip of your key, put it on your battery, pop it out. Grab you a good fresh battery. I use these. I'm not sponsored. This is not product placement. CR2032, positive side. Put it down, make sure it's seated properly. Now take the two halves, put them together, and gently squeeze. Hey, if you found this helpful, give me a like, make a comment down below, and remember, let's stay safe out there.